Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on Ome TV. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use your regular browser or incognito mode for extra privacy. Then go to Ome TV. If you're already signed in, log out of your existing session. Ome TV uses third-party logins, mainly Facebook or VK. To change your displayed name, you must log in with a different Facebook or VK account. The name shown on Ome TV is pulled from the name on your Facebook or VK profile. If you don't want to create a new Facebook or VK account, you can edit your name on your Facebook or VK profile, but note, this may take time to update. Facebook limits how often you can change your name. You can't directly edit your name on Ome TV itself. To change your name, log in with a different Facebook or VK account or change your name on the Facebook VK account linked to Ome TV. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.